and welcome to another episode of Painting Flowers with Hobbies In. It's another easy way of making a beautiful abstract painting inexpensively. The materials that I'm using are basic student grade acrylic paints, a canvas or a card paper, and there you go with your paint brushes, a little bit of water, and a tissue paper to wipe clean your brushes. So I start with painting the background in purple, and then I start making the leaves in green color. I'm pulling the brush from bottom towards the up while loading the brush with the color. First I'm using the darker shade to make these long leaves. Next I'll use another warmer shade of greens and I'm painting over the previous layer. Let's paint the daffodils now. I loaded my brush in white paint and then I use the brush in one single stroke. I'm making one petal of the flower. Similarly, I'll make some more flowers, some over these leaves and some above. Now a little dabs of yellow at the center and a little sprinkle of paint to complete the painting. Let it dry, frame it and hang it on your walls. Do tell me how you like it. Bye!